I'm Clint, and in this short video, I'm going to be running you through the palette selector file that I created in Photoshop that's free for download. You can look for the link in the description and go get it on the QBrush site. So what we have down here at the bottom is a set of different color wheels ranging from very light to very dark, and above them a set of masks that will limit the color wheel depending on which kind of color scheme you want to go with. So if you want a complementary color scheme, for instance, you can just turn this mask on. You can use Edit Transform in order to rotate that mask until it gets onto the color scheme that you like. Say that you want to go with something like this. All you need to do is then use your magic wand tool to select inside of that. You can copy and paste that into your painting file, and then use that to eyedrop the colors for your image. Now that is why there is light and dark versions, because of course your image is going to have lit and shadowed areas. So you can copy and paste them from each version of this. Very simple. And just for an instance, this is what I use in order to create the Liliana image down here. And I just set that on split complementary color scheme. Set it on about that area, copy and paste it into my file, and then I sampled colors right off of that. Now if you want to create your own mask, there is a custom one up here, so you can just copy that. And then you can use whatever tool that you want. I'm going to just use the polygon lasso. Create a shape that you like. Delete that. And again, just rotate it around until you find what you like. You can sample right off of that. Well, that is about as fancy as it is. And obviously it's not that fancy, but hopefully you can find it helpful. I've used it in sketching and really enjoyed it. It can also be good for exercises if you just want to play around with color schemes and lighting and try some things that you haven't done before. Just randomly try some different ones and see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this file, let me know. Leave a link. Let me see what you created from it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We have plenty more educational videos out here on the channel. Continuing the Art Fundamental series, if you're new to the channel, that's probably where you want to start. Alright, I'll catch you later. Until you see you next time, keep drawing.